Do you want to back up messages without Google Drive? Then you are at the right place. Here is a detailed guide on how to do it. This is the Windows Club. If you have any WhatsApp messages, they may take up too much space in your free Google Drive storage. Some users are uncomfortable with the idea of storing their WhatsApp data on Google's server. Backing up without Google Drive avoids such issues. Let's get started. Method 1. Back up to your phone's internal storage. This is a very simple option to back up your WhatsApp message to your phone's internal storage. To do so, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Go to the Chats, then tap on Chat Backup. Tap Backup. Wait until the backup is complete. Method 2. Backup to your phone's SD card. If you want to store your backup on an SD card, go to the File Manager after completing the backup. Locate the WhatsApp folder. Select what you want to copy to your SD card. Then tap on the Move button. Select your SD card and let the process complete. Method 3. Export chat history to another device. You can also export your chat history with or without media to another device. One disadvantage of this method is you cannot export the chat history of all contacts at the same time. You have to perform this action one by one with each contact. Open the chat that you want to back up. Click on the three dots from the upper right corner. Tap More, then Export Chat. You can choose whether to include media files or without media files in your backup. Select Bluetooth from the list of options. You can also select Wi-Fi Direct to export chat to the devices connected to your same network. Select your device to transfer the chat. You can also use this option to send the exported chat to Telegram. Method 4. Use a third-party backup. Many third-party backup apps allow you to back up your WhatsApp to your PC. You can use Wondershare Mobile Trans to transfer data and backup. You can transfer your WhatsApp chats by using this software. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.